Namaskar. Are you also staying awake till 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. over analyzing your thoughts, what you said to someone or what someone said to you? And you're also thinking what will happen in future, what has happened in past, so many thoughts going around in your mind. And because of that, what you do is you binge eat. Whenever you are stressed, you just go and eat without any control over yourself. Today, this video is for you. I have come to share some very practical remedies which you can do once in a week and which are very easy to bring the mental peace in your life back. Because today we are talking about healing the mind through moon wisdom. Now, as we were talking about the overthinking, let me tell you that your overthinking is not a personality trait, because right now your thought is going on like this, right? But after doing these remedies, your thought will start unraveling yourself, and then you can think clearly. So your overthinking is not a personality trait, it is weak mood. And the best part, that it is fixable. That's why you have to pick up copy and pen and start writing down the remedies I'll tell you. Now, first thing, how do you know that you have to use these remedies and you have to do these energies remedies? Why you should do it? Why you are a perfect candidate for this? Because you are lying at 2 a.m. replaying conversation, the thing which I shared in the beginning of this video. Your mood swings are sometimes like this, sometimes like this, and sometimes like this. So you are going through so intense mood swings, and the best part, that only you can understand it, and the worst part, nobody else can understand that. So that's why nobody else can do this for you. You have to do all of those things. You are also stress eating, you're skipping meals, and you're feeling so mentally drained after all of those thoughts are running in your mind, that no matter how much you are resting, you don't feel rested. Also, with this, when you struggle with decision making, because your mind is not rested, is not free, and you're not feeling any peace, that's why your creativity is also dead. You were the person who gave amazing ideas, who used to make art, who used to be creative, but now you're not able to do any of those things. So, you have to see this video and you have to do all of those things. See, the moon governs your mind, because moon controls your creativity, your intuition, your sleep quality, your emotional stability, your thoughts and decision making, and relationship with food and nutrition. All of these things are so important for your mental peace. Can you see? Moon also governs your mind, it governs your thoughts, and because mind and thought will give you emotional stability or not, so this becomes very important because the moon governs your mind. And now, if you have a disturbed moon, it is the most common pattern, but yes, it is the fastest to heal, because the moon's speed, if you can see that, it covers so many shapes in 1 month. Even not 1 month, 28 days only, 28 days and few hours. So when you do remedies related to this planet, you get the results also the fastest than other planets. So energetic remedies is better for you. What I'll tell you, the first remedy we are talking about is the sleep ritual. Sleep ritual, you have to take on every Monday night warm water, milk, and you have to put a pinch of saffron or elaichi, cardamom. When you do that and drink it for 11 Monday nights, you will feel your sleep becoming better. Why? See, all of us have heard about kesar doodh, elaichi doodh, right? So All of these has been in our Ayurvedic culture, Vedic culture, since a long time, because it works. So moon is a planet of nurturing and milk is its primary food. So when you go through this remedy on every Monday night, it helps you getting deep sleep and your mind gets rested. It feels rested because your sleep quality also gets improved, your deep sleep gets improved. Okay, now next remedy is the silver. In the previous video I told you about the sun and its metal gold and copper. Now moon has the connection to the metal silver. Either you wear silver ring or silver chain, but the thing is it should touch your body. Okay, when it touches your body somewhere, then only it can work for you. And why it is important? Because it will calm your emotional fluctuation and it will also protect you from absorbing energy from any stressful environment. Okay, and now next is again with the silver only, silver coin. This is a very important remedy. You should keep this silver coin in your daily wallet. And this is important because I am also going to give you a bonus remedy which I give to my clients only who have taken consultation. And that is, on every Monday you should go to Shiv temple. Shiv abhishek you should do with water or milk, if possible milk, then amazing. And in that lota, in utensil, you put this silver coin in that, and you do the Shiv abhishek, and then pick it up, wash it, dry off with hanky or any cloth, and then keep it back in wallet. As I told you, liquid milk, water, that is the conductor of moon's energy, and that will help you to attract the abundance and positive energy, because it has been submerged in liquid and then it was put on Shivji and then it was kept in wallet. So all the forms of abundance, positive energy and mental peace, because Shivji also related to mental peace, so all of those things you are keeping in your wallet. So you will also get mental peace related to your money. So you should keep this silver in your wallet. It is going to be an amazing remedy for you, believe me. Just do it, trust me, and do it. Now, right now I was telling you about the water, the liquid, the conductor of moon's energy. So it is very important that you spend time near water regularly, like river, lake, ocean. And if you don't have any of them in your city, in your place, in whatever place you are living, then just keep a small home fountain. And then just, if you can walk around it, then amazing. If you can't, then just sit and for few seconds or minutes just meditate, or just listen to some beautiful calming music. Or maybe you can listen to any rag also, which is again very stimulating for mental peace. So, and then again, Monday diet. On, as I have told you, all of these remedies you can do once a week and then you are done for that week. But it will be giving you energy and amazing results over the time period. Okay, on Mondays you have to eat white colored food like rice, curd, coconut, kheer and milk based sweets. Especially if you can eat the kheer after cooling it, then it will also increase the amazing benefits on your body and your mind. And eating a good bowl of kheer always gives me happiness. I don't know about you, but yes, it makes me happy, it makes my mind very happy. So all of these things also goes with the moon, and that's why it makes you happy, your mind feels peaceful. Okay, and now the mother energy, because moon is connected to feminine energy, it is connected to maternal energy. So you should respect your mother and spend quality time with her. In all these years of practice I have seen that whenever there is afflicted moon in chart, there is a problem in relationship with mother. I have, like, this is something I have seen in almost every chart where the problem is with maternal figure or mother. So just try to be respectful for her and try to spend time with her. And if possible, just a 10-minute call on Mondays, that will help you to get the amazing benefits of moon energy, because it is also related to feminine energy. Now, as I told you, I'm giving you remedies to be done once or twice in a week. This remedy is to be done in once in 2 weeks. Okay. After 15 days, full moon comes, and after 15 days, no moon comes. Amavasya and Purnima. Okay. So when there's full moon, you just sit. Either you have to first gaze and then you sit, and in the third eye place, you have to imagine that full moon which you have seen. You have to imagine it here. I can just see that full moon right now, even when I haven't gazed it right now. Why? Because I have been doing it since so many days and so much time, that it is just very easy for me. And why you have to do this? Because on no moon, the Amavasya, you have to just go in open or sit somewhere and just again imagine the full moon which you have seen 15 days ago here. Yes, I can see it again. So when you do that, your creative energy increases because you're able to create things out of your mind. Just breathe and try to do it again. If you are not able to do it, no worries, do it again next on next Purnima or Amavasya. So directly moon energy is going to bless you from top to head and give you creative energy, and your mental peace, the brain frequencies are going to be very happy. Now, this is one question I always tell my clients who are just mentally not at peace, that what is the point of earning well if your mind will not let you be at peace? So peace is the main wealth. It is the best wealth. If you are peaceful, then the money will be also giving you good energies, good frequency. But if not, then how will you enjoy that money, right? So just telling you the final remedies. One, the warm milk with saffron or elaichi, only on Monday nights. Start with Monday nights. If it helps you, then you can go for more days. You have to wear silver, and I also gave you the Shiv Abhishek silver remedy. You have to keep silver coin in your wallet after Shiv Abhishek. You can do that, and you have to do evening walks near water or just sit near fountain. You have to eat white food on Mondays. I have gave you the list. And you have to connect with your mother, especially on Mondays, because it is the feminine day. And you have to do 5 to 10 minutes full moon gazing on full moon nights. And I have gave you the remedy for no moon days as well. So now you must be like, how I'll do so many things? You don't have to do all of them. Just select one or two, either one or two. Okay. And then you start doing it, but be regular with it. And when you have done all of those things for quite a time, then you go ahead with other remedies also. Okay. So reclaim your peace, because these specific food habits and lifestyle shift will calm your mind, unlock your creativity, and give you the emotional stability of actually enjoy the success and the life you're building. I wished all the best for you, and I want that you enjoy the life. You enjoy the life you are creating. You enjoy the money you are earning. You enjoy everything around you. You enjoy the universe this God has given us, this beautiful universe, this beautiful life. So let me know if you like any of these remedies, and I have started doing it. And I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.